Good morning everyone. In this session we are discussing SIS algorithm, simplified AS algorithm. Okay, this is Devendra Kumar from CSC Honors. Aim of the session is to introduce SIS algorithm and its principles. This session is designed to define SIS algorithm, to explain principles of the SIS algorithm, learning outcomes, explain the purpose of SIS algorithm, identify key components of the SIS algorithm, describe the steps involved in encrypting, decrypting data using SIS algorithm, write code to encrypt, decrypt data using SIS algorithm. So, in this session we are covering SIS introduction, algorithm, SIS encryption, decryption, advanced design SIS. It is simple version of the advanced encryption standard. S stands for simplified, AS stands for advanced encryption standard algorithm. It is designed to user to understand the implement the AES. So designing is simple while still providing a reasonable level of security. It is provides only reasonable level of security. In this S box, in the SIS algorithm is a lookup table that maps each nibble to a new nibble. The S box is designed to be non-linear so that it is difficult to reverse encryption process. This is introduction. The shift of rows operations in the SIS algorithm shifts the rows of plain text body by different amounts. This operation helps to increase the diffusion of the plain text block, making it more difficult to attack. The mixed columns operation in the SIS algorithm multiplies the columns. You are multiplying the columns of the plain text block by a matrix. This operation helps to increase the confusion of the plain text block, making it even more difficult to attack. Mixed columns for using for multiplication with matrix. The round keys in SIS algorithm generated from the original key using a key expansion algorithm. By using key expansion algorithm, we are generating original key. The round keys are used to XOR with the plain text block at each round, which helps to scramble the plain text and make it more difficult to decrypt. So this is the algorithm. Input is a 16-bit plain text block and 16-bit key. Output is 16-bit separate text block. Steps: substitute nibbles. Each nibble in the plain text is substituted with a new nibble using S box. Shift rows. So the rows of the plain text block are shifted by different amounts. Mixed columns. The columns of the plain text block are multiplied by a matrix. Add round key. The plain text block XORed with the round key. Repeat is 2 to 4. So this is the second one. This is the second step. Okay, 2 to 4. Sorry, this is first substitute nibble is first one. So 2 to 4. Shift rows, mixed columns, add round the key. 2, 3, 4. These steps we can repeat on 9 rounds. Okay. So 10th round we are applying only substitute nibbles and add round key only. 10th round. Okay. So each nibble in the plain text is substituted with a new nibble using S box. The plain text block started with the final round key. Okay. Last round we are decreasing one operation. Okay. 9 rounds we are applying 3 operations, but last round we are decrementing only one. So mixed columns is missing. Mixed columns operation we are not applying on the 10th one, last 10th one. So output is the separate text block. These two steps are applied on 10th block. 10th block. Okay. So we are applying 10 rounds only. So this is the SIS encryption decryption. We are applying 16-bit plain text to the add round key. So we are getting here W1, W0, W1, W2. So 3 bytes of information. Add round key. We are getting the output here, that is applied to nibble substitution. We are getting what are the output we are getting by using nibble substitution is input to shift row. What the output of the shift row is applied to the mixed columns. That is what is the data we are getting after output of mixed columns, input to the add round key. So after this is round 1 is completed. Okay. In this we are applying round 2. Okay. So 16-bit separate text. We also decrypt the same process. So in what we are encrypting the data, in the same way we are decrypting the data also. Okay. So up to maximum we are using 9 rounds. The encryption algorithm takes a 16-bit block of plain text as input, 16-bit key, and produces 16-bit block of separate text as output. The SIS algorithm takes a 16-bit separate text and the same 16-bit key is used to produce separate text as input and produces the original 16-bit block plain text as input. Here we are getting using only 16-bit block only. Only 16-bit block using plain text we are getting 16-bit separate text. So here the encryption algorithm involves 4 important functions: add key, nibble substitution, shift row, and mix columns, whose operation is explained subsequently. Okay, that is explained here. This encryption algorithm is organized into 3 rounds. Round 0 simply add a key round. Round 1 is full round of 4 functions. Round 2 contains only 3 functions. Each round includes the add key function, which makes use of 16 bit of key. The initial 16 bit key is expanded to 48 bits, so that each round uses a distinct 16 bit round key. Okay. Here we are using only 3 rounds. Okay. It is relatively simple to understand and implement. It is relatively fast. It has been shown to secure against a variety of attacks. This is the advantage of the CAS. It is disadvantage. It is not secure as the full AES algorithm. It is now widely used supported as a full AES algorithm. It is simple algorithm. In summary, but it is still secure algorithm. It has been shown to resistant variety of attacks, including brute force attacks and differential cryptanalysis attacks. SIS algorithm is good choice for applications where security is important, but where the need for speed is also important. SIS algorithm is relatively fast, making it a good choice for applications such as encrypting data over network. The self-relevant questions. SIS algorithm is what kind of version of the AES? This is simple. What kind of operations I perform around keys with the plain text block at each round? That should be XOR. Input for SIS block algorithm is 16 bit plain text. The terminal questions. What is the purpose of SIS algorithm? What are the key components of SIS algorithm? What are the steps involved in encrypting, decrypting data using SIS algorithm? What is the SIS algorithm compared to the full AES algorithm? What are the advantages and disadvantages of SIS algorithm? What are the some applications where the SIS algorithm could be used? Okay, these are the reference books. Thank you.